कैरेक्टर के बाथरूम भी बना दिए थे सेट पे.
We didn't want to come out of it. It was that dreamy, it was that stunning, it was that captivating, and I think us as actors, an experience like we've never had before.
Guys, सर ने कैरेक्टर के बाथरूम भी बना दिए थे सेट पे. मतलब हर चीज, when you walk into his world, you're walking into his world. You're walking into your wardrobe, bathroom, bedroom, your characters, bathroom, bedroom, wardrobe. So it's a full immersive experience. Like you're literally moving, leaving your house and coming into your character's house and then going back to your house at night.
So basically, घर पे जाने के बाद you were also behaving like this?
नहीं भाई, हम लोग acting कर देते हैं.
But it does linger on.
It does, right?
It does linger on. The character and everything is so overpowering. It definitely you have
Stays
little
with you.
bit of traces all in the house.
Also, I think Hira Mandi is the world created by the most celebrated filmmaker of the country. How would I want to come back home and be done with the show? I wanted the show to go on and on and on. And yes, it is very confusing.
Can I just say one thing? Sanjay sir, I've known him for a very long time in my life. Just saying.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you know each other?
That man walks onto these grand sets every day and then goes home to his 2 BHK and goes to sleep. So if he can do that, what he sets up us up for is a completely different ball game in itself, because like it's ridiculous. If someone like him is living his sets, who are we to do anything less? So
हम घर ही गए थे शार्लिन.
हाँ?
घर ही गए तो घर ही थे.
What is the biggest takeaway that you got from Sanjay sir while you were shooting with him through and through?
Just really high aesthetic standards. कोई भी चीज़ आधी नहीं करनी, हर चीज़ में अपनी पूरी जान डालनी है. Whether it's dialogue delivery, acting, dancing, music, everything. वो पीछे खड़े एक एक एक्स्ट्रा पे अपनी नज़र रखते हैं. तो it's just beautiful to work with him. I think we've all become better actors.
For sure. I think his work ethics is unmatched.
I think I have learned from Sanjay sir. Am I speaking really slow?
No,
Or this is okay. What I have learned from Sanjay sir is to live in the moment. Because जो वो moment में magical moments मिलते हैं ना, that's the best. मैंने ज़्यादा सोचना छोड़ दिया है.
And you're speaking slow. It's the style.
Oh, is it? Oh, I'm in the
You're
character.
in the mood
then.
and feel of it, right? So.
I mean, Sanjay sir is all about nuances. I think Sona said it at one point कि left आँख से एक आंसू गिराना है. Oh, Richa said it. और फिर right आँख से एक और आंसू, फिर left आँख से एक और आंसू. It's nuances to another degree. And as an actor, when you have to execute those nuances again and again and again, it really refines your ability to be in tune to yourself. So, like Sangeeta said, be spontaneous, but be in tune with yourself. So I think that's what Sanjay sir taught me the most.
Sonakshi, your thoughts?
My takeaway was that no matter how good you think you are, he will always get something better out of you. Yeah.
Agree.
And the teaser that we've seen, you guys are looking stunning. He's brought out the best from the dreamy world.
जोर से बजा सकते हो आप ताली.
Yeah. तालियों में कंजूसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Yeah, I think इस तरफ से भी. You want to go a little behind and slant, so then we can also get a big shout out from all of them.
Hello.
And अब वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि सचिन अब तू बोलना बंद कर. We're waiting. We want to disclose the date, but before.
अभी तो हमें भी बता दो.
आप क्यों रुके हो? आपको क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पे कांच टूटेगा और हम सारे नाचने लगेंगे ऐसे और फिर जाके डेट रिलीज होगा?
Well, धरती का तो पता नहीं.
Watch Hira Mandi for
धरती
that.
का तो पता नहीं. पर कुछ होगा. यहाँ पर नहीं. Yeah, कुछ तो होगा. Now, before we get into and disclose तारीख जो disclose कर देंगे, उसके पहले एक आखिरी सवाल है. सब जानना चाहते हैं आपके कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में. So starting with you, Richa, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ. एक बार और.
Thank you, love you.
If in one word, if you can describe, because we are closer to the date, because we've timed something, so if you could describe your character.
My character is called Lajjo and she's very emotional.
The teardrop said it. 1, 2, 3. Emotional. Yeah.
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है वहीदा and I would call myself mysterious.
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है आलम ज़ेर and I think love would describe her the best.
My character name is Malika Jan. And बहुत चालबाज़ है.
और मैं हूँ फरीदन. और फरीदन में मिर्ची है. बस कर पगले.
So you got emotional, mysterious, love, chalbaz, mirchi. Yeah, the heat is on.
तीखी.
All right, so Mubarakbad and all the best. We are looking forward to Hira Mandi. Thank you so much for joining us. And one more mention मैं करना चाहूँगा यहाँ पर ये है कि अदिति राव हैदरी जो एक और अहम कड़ी है हीरा मंडी की वो यहाँ पर नहीं है. There is a reason because आज उनकी शादी हो रही है. So इस मंच से उन्हें मुबारकबाद देते हैं. It's special for her and it's special. So universe is conspiring to put it all together, right? All the specials are happening this evening. Once again, तहे दिल से शुक्रिया आप सभी का. Prerna, thank you. Wish you the best. Tani ji, thank you. And to entire cast, thank you so much. Wishing you the best. Thank you. And all of you, आपको तो पता है तारीख आप ब्लॉक कर लो. फिर से एक बार बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. मेरा नाम है सचिन कुंभार. लेता हूँ आपसे इजाजत. And to the fans as well, a big thank you. You know the hashtag Hira Mandi and hashtag Hira Mandi on Netflix.